Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. Today we are building the next LEGO Friends Heart Box. We've already built Mia's. Today we are going to build Andrea her own little storage compartment shaped like a heart. These are really, really cute. If you haven't already seen Mia's, you can check over and, well, you can pop over and check that one out. But Andrea's is going to be similar, just in a different colour. And, of course, it's going to include Andrea because it's her heart box. And here she is in her signature outfit with the gold off the shoulder top and the little logo on it with the wings on the music notes and her little mint coloured skirt, her new hairpiece, and she's ready for her massive headphones. These are also a new design, well, last year's new design. They don't pop off her head, but oh my goodness, they are huge. She also gets a microphone, all in black. It's very sleek and she's very happy about that. What else does she get? Oh, she gets a guitar to keep her company when she's been stuffed into the heart box and it gets a bit claustrophobic in there. She can play the guitar, make up some new tunes, listen to her music, and she can also have a snack in there. She's got an ice cream. Oh look, the top of that is the same mint colour to match her skirt. I don't think I've seen this swirly piece in the mint colour yet. I think that might be new. And it's exciting because she's got a snack now for her heart-shaped box. And last thing to snuggle in the box with her is a speaker, because there's nothing better, she's so excited, there's nothing better than putting a big loud speaker into a small enclosed space. Here, Mia, have some ice cream. Good, okay. All right, I better concentrate because we do have a heart box to build. It's in this gorgeous teal colour, which is the new colour for Andrea. I say new, but these are all same from last year, from the revamp of LEGO Friends. And I'm still getting used to the new colour schemes. I love it though. I like all of their colour schemes and I love having more and more of these teal pieces turning up in my collection. We now have got a heart-shaped base and some gold uprighty bits and some of those little quarter pie pieces just to round off the edges, so it's going to be all smooth in the base of the box. And now we need to build up the sides of the box with our goldy orange colour. It's going to be so vibrant. It's very, very colourful. But you know, so is Andrea's personality, so it suits her perfectly. Some nice rounded pieces for the edges of the heart there, and we got the long edge pieces, and I think that's the height of the box. So she can pop in there. We could totally turn this into a swimming pool if I put some plastic in there. They could all have their own little heart-shaped swimming pools, and we could hold the plastic on with these little roundy ovary top bits. Oh, we've got to do this. It would be so easy and so cute. They could all have their own little personalised swimming pool. Oh, hold on. Swimming pools. Now, this is why when I get it wrong and it falls apart, there's a reason. There we go. That's better. Okay, I was getting all excited about the swimming pool idea and I wasn't following the building instructions. So they can hang out in their little teeny tiny heart-shaped swimming pool, and this is going to be the top. She has got a printed tile with Andrea on it, and that looks so cool. I love all the little splashes on the back. She's got some little studs on the top there, which, well, I'll show you what they're for later. If you haven't already seen Mia's build, you'll find out what those studs are for, apart from just decoration on the top of the box. The box is now heart-shaped with its own little heart-shaped decoration on the front, and on the back we get some of these little roundy pieces and a single stud to hold it in place on the top of the box. So let's see. Does it fit? Yes, it does. That means I've done everything correctly. It's always exciting when that happens. So there's her box. Her box also gets a little stand. And that's so simple, but it's so, so smart. I just love that. But let's put everybody in here before we set everything up. Well, not everybody. Let's put Andrea in here with all of her stuff. Make sure that they can all fit in there. We'll just drop it all in. Clunk. There we go. So this makes a great little travel pack, and it also makes a nice little display piece for Andrea. She can hang out here on the top of her own little box with all of her stuff inside. She's so keen on that idea. All of her stuff is safely, well, it was safely inside. Let's see if the two girls can fit. They can actually, so we can chuck a couple of LEGO Friends into one of the boxes if we want to take them traveling. We just won't have too much room for all the extra stuff then. But it's nice to be able to keep them all contained. And, oh, hold on, I forgot the ice cream. Why didn't you tell me I forgot the ice cream? You're going, Ellie, there's an ice cream. You've got to pack the ice cream. Now, we'll put Mia away in here, and then I'll show you that these boxes, look, they stack! They stack on top of each other. I just love the cleverness of this. Or we could even kind of display them in a stack. That looks a little bit odd, but it's also cool. Who says odd isn't cool? I think odd is totally cool. Okay, so we can also set up on the top a little scene. So Andrea can hang out on the top here, and we can put all of her stuff up here, and this can be her play area, her own little tiny dedicated play area. Look, it's like a stage, a heart-shaped stage. That's so cute. And she can also have her own tiny little amphitheatre. So she can be tucked inside the box on the side and be playing there too. I love these heart boxes. They are really cool. Whose am I going to build next and add it to my collection? Tell me in the comments below. And once you finish doing that, make sure you've subscribed and make sure you like the video. And I will see you with a new one very, very soon. So I'll see you then.